Hey everyone! Artificial intelligence, or AI, is when we make machines mimic human smarts, like thinking, learning, and deciding. It's not sci-fi, it's in your phone's voice assistant or Netflix recommendations. AI started in the 1950s with pioneers like Alan Turing. Today, it's everywhere, from chatbots to self-driving cars. But AI's just the start. Next up, machine learning. Like and follow for more AI bites. What's your fave AI gadget? Comment below. Quick quiz. Is machine learning the same as AI? Nope. AI is the big idea. Machines acting smart. ML is a key part of it, where computers learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Think traditional coding. You write rules. ML. Show examples. Let it figure patterns out, like spotting cats in photos. ML powers spam filters and music suggestions. AI includes ML plus more. Stay tuned for how ML works. Smash that like if this clicked. Machine learning in a nutshell. Step 1. Gather data, like emails for a spam detector. Step 2. Train a model. Feed data to an algorithm. It learns patterns by trial and error. Step 3. Test and predict. Use it on new stuff. Wrong? Retrain. It's like teaching a kid with examples. Data quality is key. Garbage in, garbage out. Next, types of ML. Comment your questions. Machine learning has 3 main flavors. Supervised, labeled data, like predicting house prices with known examples. Unsupervised, no labels, finds patterns itself, like grouping shoppers. Reinforcement, trial and error with rewards, like training a game AI. Bonus, deep learning uses brain-like networks for tough tasks like image recognition. Which type sounds coolest? Tell me below. AI and ML rock our world. Healthcare predicts diseases, finance spots fraud, entertainment recommends binges. But challenges? Bias in data can make unfair decisions, and ethics matter, like job impacts. Build responsibly. Start learning with free tools like Google Colab. Series wrap up. What's next in AI? Subscribe for more shorts.